Good evening, I'm Alex Dierckman. A Kansas City-based healthcare technology company, Cerner Corporation, announced today that Purdue president and former Indiana Governor Mitch Daniels is the newest member of its board of directors. Daniels' position on the board is a new seat. He'll serve a 2-year term until the 2015 annual shareholder meeting. Governor Mike Pence and Federal Health and Human Services Secretary Kathleen Sebelius are scheduled to meet in February to discuss ongoing health care expansion negotiations. Pence's goal is to expand health care for low-income Hoosiers with a plan similar to the Healthy Indiana plan. Health Committee Chair Ed Clear says the federal government isn't in favor of a system which customers must pay into as part of the program, but there are ways to promote personal responsibility that don't necessarily require consumers to pay in. And new research from a team of Indiana University biologists says complex organisms are able to acquire the DNA and genes of other organisms. IU biology professor Jeff Palmer says biologists knew gene sharing happened with bacteria, but this discovery shows it's just as common in bigger organisms. He relates the process to the story of the old lady who swallowed a fly, who then swallowed a spider to catch the fly, then a bird to catch the spider, and the list goes on and on.
It would be like if we looked at our own mitochondrial genome and found that it had acquired somehow, by maybe the same process, genes or a whole genome from a spider and a fly and a cat, a fish, a frog, go down the evolutionary ladder to all the way to fungi, which are actually relatives of animals. It would be the same sort of thing.
Palmer says nothing like this has ever been seen before in terms of the scale of gene stealing, and it reveals the potential organisms have to use foreign DNA effectively. And here's a look at the weather. Tonight will be partly cloudy, 10 degrees as the low. And here's a look at the 5-day forecast. Sunny on Tuesday, 21 degrees is the high, 17 degrees as the low.